Welcome back to End of Trading on YouTube, and today's video is called The Trade Ideas 4th of July Sale. You can get 30% off the premium annual and 25% off all other plans. To claim these offers, use the code ENDED30 or ENDED25 at checkout, and the sale runs from the 2nd of July through the following week on both new subscriptions and upgrades. There are two plans. Trade Ideas Basic is $801 per year, down from $1,068 with the code ENDED25. Gives you real-time data, 10 charts, over 500 alert filters, and paper trading with in-broker trading. Trade Ideas Premium is $1,495 per year, down from $2,136 with code ENDED30. And it adds Holly AI signals, back testing, and auto trading, 20 charts, and unlimited watch lists. Holly AI is the Trade Ideas assistant that sends real-time stock suggestions, and each signal includes an entry price, a stop, and a target. Typically enters between 5 to 25 trades per day and does not hold the positions overnight. So to get 30% off Trade Ideas Premium Annual or 25% off all other plans, including the monthly plans, use the code ENDED30 and ENDED25